Alright guys, now I'm doing the unboxing of the A&K M249 Mark II. I opened the box already because it's kind of hard to cut with one hand while holding the camera. So let me put this down and let me take it out. Now this case cost $50 extra dollars. Originally you didn't have to buy the case with it. It was an option. But then he changed it to where he didn't, the case wasn't available at all. But then they changed it back to mandatory where you had to buy the case for $50 extra dollars. But I think it's well worth it because it's a hard shell and it'll protect your gun. Okay, so we're taking off the plastic, hopefully, fairly quickly. If I drop this, I think I'd be heartbroken. Literally. Okay, so I don't think we really care about this, so... Okay, I think I have it upside down. Hold on, guys. This is actually fairly heavy. Okay, I don't know what's up with these end ones here. There we go. These end ones actually have locks, like little tiny holes for locks. That's actually a pretty nice feature. Here we go. Okay, so this is the A&K M249. This is just its warranty registration from UK Arms. It's a manual. This, let's see, just has warnings, gun operations, safety selector, how to hook up the mag, all the parts, and that's basically it. Put this back here. I'm guessing this is the wall charger. Yep, this is the wall charger. Speed loader, for some reason I don't think you're going to be needing that. And yeah, it does. This is the wall charger. Like I said earlier, I recommend getting a smart charger. They're actually pretty badass. They'll only take about an hour and a half to charge my batteries. This is an 8.4 that comes with the gun. I recommend getting a 9.6 to upgrade the rate of fire. And comes with a metal mid-cap M4 M16 mag. Now this can fit in the gun right here, right there, instead of the drum mag that's right here. So that's pretty much all this package includes. There's nothing important in there. This is the box mag. It can hold up to 2,500 rounds. And yeah, you have to put in two AA batteries to make it run though. It has an auto wind feature on the bottom here. So whenever you fire, it winds. Oh, and that's just nice. The thing broke off in many different pieces. 1, 2, and probably a third piece right here. This is all metal. This is metal, this is metal, this is metal. This is plastic right here. This is plastic. This is metal, the bipod. All this is metal right here. This is metal. This is plastic right here, the carrying handle. This is metal right here, the trigger guard. Trigger's metal. This is all metal. Pistol grip, that's rigid plastic. But it's sturdy, I don't think it'll fall off or break. And this whole stock back here is plastic. And this is where the battery goes, right here. You flip that up and pull that down, and the battery compartment's right in there. Okay guys, this is it for the A&K M249 unboxing.